Jeff Riggs here with the OzCharge family of products. Hey, if your cows are hungry and your tractor won't start, and you can't get them a bale of hay, what are you going to do? A real life example from a Rescue-Mate owner in Grandview, Texas, and the cows weren't putting up with it. Looks like the chickens didn't care. Bonnie and Richard, the farm owners, could have driven a car back with jumper cables. However, that would have taken a number of gates to open and then driving through, well, whatever it is cows and chickens leave on a lot in order to get to the back 40. Then getting out the jumper cables and connecting to the tractor, which was parked well back in its protective area. They could have done it. Not so easy, not so fun. So, here's an example of how the RescueMate Super Capacitor Jump Starter solved the problem. It's lightweight, never needs regular recharging like lithium jump starters. Works with advanced super capacitor technology, so it's always ready and super safe. No fire hazards. The tractor is a 1985 L335 Diesel with a 60 horsepower, 3-cylinder engine and a very dead battery.
We have hungry cows. They have no hay bale left and the grass isn't grown enough. They're waiting for the tractor. But unfortunately, the chicken and the tractor won't start. The farmer is there. The tractor has no sound whatsoever, not even a click. This is a great big Fiat tractor, 60 horse.
Yeah.
We love getting real life videos in of our product performing. Thank you, Bonnie and Richard from Grandview, Texas. This was the RescueMate 500 amp Super Cap Jump Starter. Just think what the 750 amp and 1000 amp can do for you. Oh, the translation of this is thank you RescueMate and OzCharge America for our dinner. Jeff Riggs here with the OzCharge family of products.